Okay. So we're walking through this park that's supposedly haunted by some fucking thing.
Yeah.
It's a long journey. Okay. Let's keep going.
Yep.
Yes, I am younger than him.
Yep. Just walking through the woods.
Well, I'm not really at the woods yet. It's over there. That's where we're gonna go though.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go off this path. Too boring.
Yeah.
I like excitement in my life.
Mine doesn't do something.
Yeah, those are just some people, crazy people. The fuck are they doing?
Sure. I don't know. Make people look out.
Yeah, some people out here are too fucking, good-minded.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, a drinking fountain. You wanna go get a drink?
Sure. I don't know if it works.
Hey, wait, what the fuck? The hell is that?
What is that?
The fuck?
Don't look or it takes you.
Wait.
Don't look where it takes you.
I'm gonna keep this. Just in case I might need to build a fire out in the wilderness.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going.
Yeah.
It's a nice area. I don't know if you can see very well, but the grass is growing green.
Yeah.
Yes. There's some buildings over there. Old buildings. Back to road.
I think I got a flashlight too.
Yeah. Getting his flashlight out like a boss.
Yep.
Flashlight on flashlight.
Yeah. There's some creepy stuff about this park.
Yeah.
This area.
Not very good stuff either. It's only dusk, but we decided to come out for this light, make it more atmospheric, pump it up. Yeah, look at that beautiful view. Hey, where you going? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It's definitely there. Hey, let's stick together. Is that another one?
Yeah.
Hey, move. I want to read this. Damn, just a picture.
Yeah.
Ugly people.
Yeah.
Fuck you. Okay. Let's keep walking. The fuck? Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Okay. What the fuck is he staring at us for?
It's
And weird. kind of shit makes me nervous.
Yeah.
We're approaching a rail. Some more shit.
Yeah, it's on the dark. Can't light up the situation.
Them shoes though. Alright. Down the yellow brick road we go. Speed bump. Damn, it's getting dark.
Yeah.
Maybe you should have came out a bit earlier. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Is that another one now? I'm starting to think there's something going on around here. Again, it's very hard to see, but might be coming into view now. Yeah. Leave me alone. No. Never. Coming with me. Take you somewhere over the rainbow. Hi. Yeah. Let's walk a little faster.
Yep.
Man, is it getting darker?
Yeah, it's really dark.
Hope we're doing alright. This shouldn't be like posted. No. It's a baseball stadium. Okay. Excuse me. Alright. No, not there. What's that? Is that another? Yeah, another one. It's even darker over here. How is that possible?
Always watches, no eyes.
That isn't good.
No. Take it, I guess?
I guess.
Yeah.
It's strange. Let's stop and fill up real quick. You go first. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. Alright. What was that? Alright, going uphill. Alright. Alrighty. Brown and green grass. Just the occasion. Alright, going uphill. Alright. Alrighty. Brown and green grass. Just the occasion.
Man, it's really dark up here.
Let's go down this way. The hell?
Oh my god.
Are those deer? Those are deer. Sweet. That's kind of creepy though. They're all looking.
Up there. Birds.
That's a dying star. There's a dying star up there. There's some deer over here. And then I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's something on the tree. Those deer. They're staring at us. This place just gets weirder and weirder. So let's keep going. Let's make it to this large and unusually placed tree. Alright. Look at this tree.
Something caught off the camera.
Yeah. Don't know what that was. Just stopped.
What is this?
Oh my gosh.
Help me?
I think there might be some problems out here. Don't know. Yeah, let's take it. Oh, there's some paper. What the fuck is that? Did you see that? Did you see that?
I don't know. Might have.
Oh shit. Let's just keep going. I don't know what these people want. Alright. Let's go up to that trail.
Yeah. Trying to get stuck in the dark.
Yeah.
No, we're here. Let's keep a lookout.
Let's go on that trail.
Go ahead.
Wait. Should we? I don't know. Here, you go that way. No. Other way. Other way. Let's go this way. Cole. Come on, let's go this way. Doesn't seem too good. Cole, come on. Come on. Alright. Cole had to leave. This way. Hold on. Did I take the right way? Hold on. Oh, I think that's the path. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Venture Forest. There's another one. Another one. Oh boy. What was that? fuck, man? Why? I can't? Oh shit, oh fuck. Where? Where should I go? Oh boy. Oh boy. Sorry about that. Oh no. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. What is that? The fuck? What the hell, man? This shit is fucked up. Cooked to like 7 of these. Oh, fucking moths.